Are you selling facts or a feeling? In 2025, consumers seek vibes over specs. Audiences crave emotional connections, not just quick aesthetics. This shift gives rise to vibe marketing, a strategy rooted in emotion, not demographics. So, what is vibe marketing? It's an emotion-driven approach to marketing. You start by identifying key feelings, translating that into creative expressions, and executing swiftly. AI helps facilitate this process, enabling small teams to deliver impactful campaigns faster. Remember, taste and judgment are the new deciding factors, not tools. Why do customers prioritize feelings? People now connect emotionally, valuing lifestyle and community over mere products. This approach builds stronger brands. New strategies advise against chasing clicks. Instead, building trust and speaking to your audience will yield better results. If your content feels off, it won't be shared, no matter the button color. A vibe-led strategy ensures your message resonates. Research backs this up. Personalization boosts revenue significantly, with top companies earning 40% more than their competitors. Trust is vital. Consumers trust brands more than leaders. And simplicity matters. Clear choices lead to more purchases. Emotions can drastically increase customer engagement and spending. Let's look at an example. Liquid Death turned water into a $1.4 billion brand by embracing attitude, humor, and authenticity. Their approach connects with subcultures, creating a strong community vibe. But beware the skeptics. While advice focuses on niche audiences and cultural unity, some warn against hype without strategy. Mood needs to be paired with measurable actions for true success. To effectively implement a vibe-led strategy, follow these steps. 1. Name the feeling in one sentence. 2. Identify your target audience, borrowing their language. 3. Create prototypes swiftly with mood boards and ideas. 4. Publish content on trusted platforms and measure sentiment. 5. Simplify the buying process to attract and convert effortlessly. Track important metrics like sentiment, times to ship, and customer retention rates. Avoid common traps, like mistaking aesthetics for strategy. Fix this by addressing real audience concerns. In summary, vibe marketing emphasizes emotion and efficient execution. The marketing landscape is shifting towards holistic vibes over micro-trends. Personalization and simplicity drive growth. Trust is crucial for brand credibility. You don't need louder ads, you need stronger feelings and a seamless path to yes. Design your vibe, earn trust, and reduce barriers. That's how you cultivate a modern marketing strategy that thrives. Are you ready to elevate your marketing approach? Embrace vibe marketing today and create lasting connections with your audience.